Hey guys, what we got here is a repair sent in. Previous tune I did before, variable went bad, just bad pot. We're gonna go ahead and take care of this under warranty, but we got the new pot in. Wanted to show you some stuff. I was gonna do a couple updates in it for the guy too while it's here. Well, I got the lids off. I figured I'd give you a little show of how the variable's working now. 50 watts. Let me see. Okay. Nice and smooth. Wide open there. The jumping at first was me, because I'm actually putting the mic in between my knees so I could have two hands. But we'll be back with a little. Let me show you this. Let me get it. It's taking about 2. Oh yeah, on. It's about 12 and a half. We'll be back. Back on the 76. Did a couple updates for him while I was here. Got about another bird watt out of it. About a 3 watt dead key. Oh, on. So a little over 13, maybe 13 and a half. We hit the peak on it. I didn't show the peak before, but and of course you see it in the corner. And let's see. We'll throw the 100 up in there. 100 watt slug. Peak. Oh yeah. Oh, what happened here? Hello. Almost 78. This blast now pretty good. Here's the test center. Oh yeah. And there's 50. Slap that over. Test center is a lot tighter than my bird. Oh yeah. Showing a good 55 on the test center. And there you go. Repair is done. We'll be back with another radio. Old Stickman at the No Name MCB shop. If there's something you got that you need taken care of, repairs, tune-ups, anything, give us a shout. We'll help you out. Stickman and I'm gone.